Good morning, fit team. How are we going? It's Nikita GATTI, Mr. Evolution, back with another video. We're going to do some rolling stretching today. So this is a quick, just 5-minute stretching. This is me. And I got my assistant here today. He has been an absolute delight. Ow, except for he thinks we're playing Warrior when we're not. We're foam rolling. So this is a quick 5-minute tutorial. If you want to do some back and some glute and some hip stretching with the foam roller, grab one. Don't forget to like and subscribe so obviously you don't miss out at all, and let's just get on with it. So start with your foam roller on the ground. We're going to take a little seat, and obviously any of these exercises, if you cannot do, don't continue with them and just do what feels right for you. It doesn't have to be a particular exercise. It really can just be whatever is comfortable for you, and that's what I tend to do. So we're just going to place the foam roller on your hamstrings. I prefer it on the grass. It just gives a little bit of a softer stretch, but obviously going on the cement or on the gym floor is fine as well. And you can do any of these exercises singular, so you don't have to do on both legs at the same time. Just doing a quick 5-minute stretch, then just do like 30 seconds on each exercise. Oh, no, mummy's using the green one now. But if you have longer, of course, it would be amazing if you could do like a good 30 minutes. Rolling back and forth, just coming back and releasing when we need to. Ooh. All right, and your singular one would look like this. So just pop the foam roller on one side, and then rising up, keep one leg bent. And you can almost use it as a guide to help you roll forward and back. It's up to you how far you want to come. I like to do each area at one time. I wouldn't get carried away and end up doing my whole body. So otherwise you can usually come, ooh, there. The glutes are my problematic area. Always tight, always tense. You can even do a little one on the calf, so you can bring this one forward, and you can just do a little roll out, same thing. Make sure to breathe, inhale, exhale. All right, we're going to move to the glutes. So of course, any of these exercises that you are just frothing and they are feeling great, then you can do it for as long as you like. Let's move to the glutes because I feel like they're going to be painful. All right, so knuckles down, glutes on. Ugh. So you can start here if you wish. I find the lower back to the glutes always feels really nice. Like at that top part. And then once I find I have the tension out from especially the lower back and that tailbone area, I like to roll it to one side. So you're going to put one leg straight, put one over, and then kind of roll on your side and then move. Try to raise the bottom leg if you can. Oh, doing your own foam rolling. Otherwise you can keep the bottom one on the ground, and you can also swap between the hip and the glute. So this would be more your glute, more of a half-seated position. Otherwise, coming right on your side would be your hip. So, just moving between the both in your own time. Oh, this is so painful. Oh my god. And you don't think it, hey, like, it's not like, I find the tennis ball like is a bit more intimidating really because it's smaller. I'll get a tennis ball and I'll be like, no, that's going to be painful. And then I end up using one of these because I'm like, oh, it's squishy. It's fun, and it's not fun. Oh, so you can kind of swap between those two, and then we can swap sides. So just bring in the foam roller on the other side, or of course just rolling over, popping one leg straight, leaning, and then the opposite arm over, and rolling between hips first. Oh my god. Oh, it's crazy. It's one of those things that you can do all the time and it still hurts. Oh. Oh, it's done now. Well, you want to do this exercise? You want to do this one? Okay, so I've got my little demonstrator here.
Yes.
You're going to lay down, put your bum on the ground. This is a really good upper back stretch, especially between the shoulder blades. It's really hard. So you're going to pop your hands behind your head. Yep, perfect. And you're going to lay back, and you're going to roll. You're going to roll forward and back. Yeah, so you're going to lift your hips a little bit. No, stay laying on your back. Yep, put your legs together. Lift your hips up. Lift your hips up. Push. Lift your hips up. Yep. And then you're going to roll back and forward. Back and forward. And this is really good for the upper back. Really good for that back stretch that we usually can't reach on our own or standing. Yeah, pretty much. So thank you. Thank you for demonstrating.
Thank you.
Wow, good job. Alright, go for it. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know in the comments if it helped. It's only a few exercises, so just give them a go. And if there's any drama, you can kind of move around and feel for your own. And honestly, I think I do some rolling exercises that probably aren't even real exercises, but they feel good and they help to relieve my muscles. So I hope that helped. And if you want another rolling or stretching videos of any type, then let me know in the comments. Sending all my love and positive energy, and I'll see you next time. Yeah, sure. So bye.
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 Bye.